In this short video, I want to show you how to access the data file in StatCrunch and also how to create your own StatCrunch data set. The StatCrunch interface changed this semester, so it looks a little bit different than what's in the original video that I had posted. So the first thing you want to do is, let's go to StatCrunch first and locate the data file that I already saved. So I'm in my Stat Lab, and I click on StatCrunch, and I'm going to go to the StatCrunch website. And this is where it looks different in the video that I had posted before. And if you go to Datasets right here, and if you just go up here, here's where the search window is. And if you just type in 2023, it'll pull up that data set that you're going to use to work on in your project. So there it is right there. All right, now I also want to show you, because again the interface is a little tiny bit different, how to create your own StatCrunch data file if you'd like to do that. So in the Project 2 module in my courses, there is a data set here, an Excel data spreadsheet. What you need to do is first download it. Click here and download it. I've already done that. And once you've downloaded it to your computer, here's the data. And what you're going to need to do is highlight all the information that you want to copy and put into a, put into the StatCrunch data file. So let's go ahead and highlight all these cells all the way down. And we're going to stop right there. And I just want to point out that last row, the student didn't answer the couple of the first questions there. So we're going to highlight that, and we're going to right click on it, and we're going to copy it. Now I'm going to go back over to the StatCrunch website, and now I'm going to go to My Data, and I'm going to go to Data Sets, My Data Set, sorry. I'm sorry, I want to go to Upload Data. And now I want to do is I want to use the drop down here and do Paste into Form. Now remember, we just copied all that data from Excel, and if I right click here, I can go ahead and paste all that information in there. Now it looks awful, but it's not really. It's got a format. What you have to remember to change right here is that it's a tab delineator, which means that it's tabbing between the entries that designate each column. And then you want to give it a name. And I'll just call this sample data. I'm not actually going to create the data set, but I'll call it sample data. And then you've got some optional properties here. If you created a group, you could put a group share here or things like that. And if you want to put some more information, and then you just click on upload, and it will open up the data file for you. And you'll see that all the data went into the columns just like that, and it looks just like the data set that you opened up that I had already created. And then if you would like to, when you finish working with it, if you've created your own data set, you can go ahead and save it with your own name, and it'll save in your own StatCrunch account.